An Orlando East family has spoken about traumatic discovery of the body of a 37-year-old Jabulisile Shabalala at their property, where she had been renting a room with a murder-accused Simiso Phakathi. The family says Shabalala was found after her colleagues came looking for her when she failed to report for work, with other tenants subsequently discovering her body. They say the incident has left the household traumatized and also appealing for assistance with counseling.
Usapho lwekhaya apho umphefumlo kaJabulisile Shabalala uphume khona lubalisa ngendlela athe walandulela ngayo eli kwaye lukwazoba nomfanekiso ongqondweni wobume umzimba wakhe ofumaneke uyiyo.
Mina ngifonelwe ngiseFlorida ekhaya la ngihlala khona. So my daughter, she's the one who's staying here, and then wangifonela ukuthi icale kuphi. Ungifonele during the week angitshela ukuthi usisi uhlala erumini akatholakali, mara ifoni yakhe lokuya bluetick ama WhatsApp mabafona eyaringa, and then angitshela ukuthi khona abantu bazile basemsebenzini bazofuna ujabulisile, and then bafuna ne laptop semsebenzini bathumela iposi yakhe. uTebogo afonele umfana lo waserumini number 2 athi ngicela uze la uTebogo aphuma engale makangale amtshela athi yazi since ngihlala kule charity there's something engayifili kahle emzimbeni, kune something engisindayo. Bese ugela ambuza ukuthi how usindwa yini ngoba qala uhlala la, athi ngisho njalo ngithi hayi since ngihlala la khona into engisindayo kunento wrong, awuthi ngithatha isigarette ngiyobhema. Aphume lo mfana lo kabhema around nje jarata around abone window la ngale livulekile lase garage yalosiso lo shonile. Mangithi ngale emva kweside lembhedo ngibone inyawo nami, hayi ngiphume ngithi kubo asihambeni manje say police station report lento khosa asazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Say police station amaphoyisa ezanathi bathi sifonele ambulance na, ngithi no asifonela ngeambulance qala because besingathi ukuthi senzani. So bangene vele mabavula ngale, mina I was outside anyway lapha zangibone because bengisaba nokubona mabamvula lapha ya bamvule ngizwe ngephoyisa liphuma. Iphoyisa maliphuma liza kimi lithi yo lo muntu ulimele la kuvuvukile ubuso bakhe la kuvuvukile. Ngithi awukwenzeka nathi lo mfana umlimazile because uze womgwaze nala wakhomba nje ukuthi umgwazela entanyini.
Olusapho luthi esisehlo sishiye senze umonakalo kwisidima selikhaya ngoko lumemelela ukuba umkhanelwa ajongane ngqo nengalo yomthetho.
We were so sad, like namanje we are traumatized, and then noma undlula ngale maybe siyaklina senzani iroom lakhe likhona abomufi bazele balanda into zakhe, and then we still traumatized, like mandlula lapha yana you see Jabu, you see whatever that sibonile ngale. And then ugelo uyo ngekho right, to be honest, because uyoqala wabona yonke into, she's not okay at all.
Embindini wesisikaneko amalungu osapho angathanda ukufumana inkxaso ngeenkqubo zentuthuzelo ngokwasemphefumlweni. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eOrlando East.